Okay, now let's quickly hop on this book, which I titled The Conceptuality. This book is for 19 only, for people who live in Turkey, and then it could be converted to other currencies relatively. And then finally, it could also be sold for 19 naira. That is for people who are staying in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Alright, so let's go back to the main page. The conceptuality. It's Narintele, just like I said, in Turkish lira, actually, for people living in Turkey. So the next thing here is, but that was impromptu, and the sweater. So we start from the beginning. B is for bat. So let's look for the animal called bat. We will use the Google as a search topic right here. Animal called bat. Enter. Bat. Alright, look at the animal called bat. This is where it is located. Alright, so that's the image we see exactly right here. Okay, the next on our list is U is for Uakari. So let's look for it. We got it here. It's in I already put that in Microsoft Word, so this is where you can find it. We can enlarge this this for you to see clearly. So that's the animal called Uakari. So we go to the next. Next on this list is T. T is for tiger. Remember, we are doing this elaboration giving the special initials, their special definition. For instance, B, U, T. So we've come to B, we've gone to U, and now we are on T. T is for tiger. So let's quickly see the animal that corresponds with the letter T. You know, the animal that, for instance, U is for Uakari. We have seen that. Let me hop on that again. Uakari, that's the picture of Uakari. Okay, so T is for tiger. So let's see the image of the tiger. Now look at that. That is the tiger. Alright, the tiger. That is the tiger. So go back on our list. We got the next. T is for T. T is for tiger, corresponding with this. So we've got that already. Tiger. So we go to the next one. H is for horse. So let's see where the horse is. And we got to be very fast about this problem, so we don't waste too much time. So horse. Here is the horse. Okay. Here is the horse. The horse. So we go to the next. The next is A is for antelope. So let's see the antelope and what it looks like. Antelope. Antelope, and we can see the image of the antelope demonstrated here. Alright, so just for us to be fast enough. Okay, and I believe so much that other people are watching this, so I expect contributions from others online equivalently. So if that's the right English. but I believe so. So at least we can, flow together and receive questions and answers. You can also feel free to contact me. At the end of these lectures, you'll be able to find a part where you could put some messages for me to receive and then give you the reply that you need that quickly. So next is next on our list is A is for antelope. And we are sure about this graph. We are sure about this information. Okay, it is very much perfect for everything that we ever need. So it is very, very perfect for whatever you need it for. Sure, businesses, money making, progress, and whatever. It is very much right. Okay, it is very perfect for knowledge. It is very perfect for progress, complete progress. It is very much perfect. So I just want to say a very big thank you to everyone who's listening to me at this point. So sorry. I will have to say sorry, but God will help us. God will help us. So the next here, okay, we've gone through the antelope area, and then we're through with that. Now the next is T sweet tiger. So let's look for it. T sweet tiger, look at that. So let's go to the next. W is for whale. Look for whale. Look at that. Whale. Okay, let's see the next. The next is antelope. You check that. Antelope. I think that's where we are. Let me check again. Where? Antelope. Okay, let's see. Let's check for the antelope. It should be in the search results. Okay, unfortunately it's not there, so let's check it again. Okay, we've gone through that already. Let's check. S is for saber-toothed cat. Saber-toothed cat. Let's see what it is. That's it. Saber-toothed cat. Okay, so let's be fast. For those of you who looked at my last lecture, you'll find out that we've got the original of this particular image before, so we're doing fast and faster movement here. So this is Ibis. So let's check on Ibis. Here's Ibis. So I stands for Ibis. So M stands for mammoth. Let's see the image of mammoth. Image of mammoth. Image of mammoth. Here's mammoth. So let's look for the next. P is for pigeon. Okay, let's look for pigeon immediately. That's it, pigeon. So let's check the next. The next is rat. And let's see the number we have here. We have many, but we're going to get there. R is for rat. Okay. R-A-T. Let's see the image of the rat. Animal called rat. Here is the rat. Okay, so let's go to the next. O is for ostrich. I'm gonna get the ostrich right now. Ostrich. Here's the ostrich. Okay, so we go to the next. M is for mammoth. We've seen mammoth before, so let's look at that from Microsoft Word. This is it, mammoth. So we go to the next. The next is P is for PG. P is for Python. Okay, let's see. Python. Okay, we've seen the Python related writings, but at this time we want to see it from the Wikipedia. And look at the Python right here. Actually, Pythonidaae, Python. That's the real information. But Pythonidaae, it's alright. So we'll go to the next. T is for tiger. Where's the tiger? The tiger. You want to look for it. Here's the tiger. We got it. So next is U is for mammoth. Sorry, U is for uakari. Just like we've got here. Uakari. Here's U. U is for uakari. U is for uakari. And remember, we are now at U, that's BT. So we've come to impromptu. So U is for uakari. That's where we are at the end. Before we get to the end of this place, the lecture, we're gonna slash this. So U is for uakari. Let's see uakari once again. This is uakari here. So we check again for A. A is for antelope. So let's check the antelope first. Antelope. We've got antelope. So N is for nuts furry. Nuts furry terrier. That's it. So let's see what it is. Nuts furry terrier. It's here. Nuts furry terrier. That's it. Not for terrier. That's it. So let's say the next. D is for dog. So let's see the image of the dog. D-O-G. That's the image of the dog. So let's say the next. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. So we are here. T is for tiger. That's right. Let's see. H is for horse. Let's take for horse. Let's check for horse. Okay, we need to put in the letter once again. So here's horse. Good. And then we want to say the dog, just like this is the dog here. So considering this place, we had the Norfolk Terrier, and we had the dog, and now we got the T is for tiger, we got H is for horse, and then we got what is our last touch? Our last touch is horse. Okay, so we're going to E is for elephant. E is for elephant. So let's see where the elephant is. So here is the elephant. So now, here's the elephant. So now we've got the next is sorry, this one is not too relevant, but we must include it actually, based on nothing. But I believe the Nautica or the nauticals or whatever it is explained as we worked up without being okay, the trees of the commemoration of the forbidden fruit provides this. So S is for subrogated character or tiger. So let's see it quickly. Okay, let's search for it. Subrogated carrots. Alright, here is the subrogated carrots. Smilodon is a genus of the extinct and blah blah blah. Subrogated tiger. You see, so subrogated carrot or tiger. Let's see that such topic corresponds. Okay, we see that subrogated carrot or tiger. So we want to hop on this image. So, and then W is for whale. So let's see the whale, an animal called whale. Called whale. Here is whale. So we go to the next immediately. The next E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Yes, E is for elephant. Sure. So E is for elephant. We wanna do the elephant. Here's the elephant. So A is for antelope. Let's see the antelope once again. At this time we've got to type something first. Antelope. Okay, we've got the image of the antelope within the second phrase. So let's see tiger. T is for tiger. We'll hop on it again. Let's check for it. We're gonna be fast. We're gonna be fast here. First, here's the tiger. So let's go for E. E is for elephant. I want to see the elephant again. Let's type quickly. Elephant. Here's the elephant. Good. And then for some other clarity purposes, we want to hop on the rat. R is for rat, and that's the finals. So here is RAT, an animal called rat. Here is the rat. Good. So we've come to the end of this lecture, and then we've come to the end of this lecture. I am so happy to be here, and then I give God all the glory.